Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tac. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to connect your PS4 controller up to your Fire TV or Firestick. Just go to the right and go to Settings, and then go down to Controllers and Bluetooth Devices right here. Then go down to Game Controllers, and go to Add New Controller right here. Now go to your controller and make sure it's turned off. So just hold down this middle PlayStation button if it's turned on for about 10 seconds, and it'll manually turn it off. Then we want to put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode, so press the share button and the PlayStation button right here at the same time. And it'll put it into the Bluetooth pairing mode and the light will begin to blink. Then we can go back over to our TV and select the PlayStation controller with the remote. Now make sure you have a clear signal to the Fire Stick or Fire TV, and it might take about 10 seconds for this to show up. So there it is. Let's select it. Now it's connected to my TV. You can see wireless controller is now connected, and I'm operating my Fire Stick now with my PS4 controller, which is actually really strange. So you can see it's connected. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Tac.